welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you guys a few of my little home updates. If you guys were wondering where I got them from, I will try and list them with the prices of everything. Let's talk about this arch mirror. It took me so long to pick out this particular mirror because I wanted it wide enough and I didn't want it real slim. I kind of wanted like a wide arch mirror, and it's trimmed in gold, which I truly love. And I believe I got this one from Wayfair, and I only just use this mirror. One, I like it because it's aesthetically pleasing, and then also we use it to hide the cords. So we have like these Wi-Fi cords that are in the back of the mirror, and if you see, it's like a little yellow cord sticking out on the side right there. But that's all the Wi-Fi electronic stuff, and I just feel like it looks better just being hidden behind the mirror, not just exposed and out in the middle of the floor. Next, I have my pampas, dried pampas. I like this, it's cute. I'm thinking I might get a table for it because it's kind of low to the ground. It's right next to the fireplace. And yeah, I don't even know if I'm gonna use my fireplace this winter. I never used a fireplace before, so I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. This is my functional sectional. I think it's called a Reeve from Wayfair, but it's so comfortable. You can add extra pillows to it, which I do plan to do. And I'm gonna see if I can find that picture. But yeah, you just pull that out and pull it up if someone wants to stay the night. Also, there is storage on the chase part. You just lift it up, and I just keep Mr. Little Toys in there for now, but you put whatever you want in there. But yeah, that's my little functional sectional. This is from Wayfair as well, and I thought this was a fair price. It was $4.99, $500, a little above $500 for tax, but it's still a pretty good price, and it's a nice functional couch, so I like it. Next, this rug. Would you believe this is an outdoor rug, but I use it for my living room, and it's very oversized too, but I like it. It has this like 3D kind of feel to it, so it's like lifted, plush, and then it's like flat on some areas, but I like it. I really like it for the living room. So I got these nightstands right here. I think I got those from Wayfair, because I think I still have all my little inventory receipts online. So I'm gonna see if I can do that. But this is my dream journal, my Bible, and then this spray, this sleep time spray. Oh, the top fell. But this Dr. Teal's, it smells so good at night. You want to get relaxed. You want to just, unwind. Spray this on your pillows and on your sheets before you go to bed. It's so relaxing. Dr. Teal's sleep spray. What did it say? With melatonin and essential oils. Promotes a better night's sleep. And you may remember this plant from my last apartment. This plant was from Marshall's, but I like it. It kind of goes with my room, so I just put it in a corner. I want to get me some lamps to put on both of my nightstand tables. Get me some nice. And the thing is, it's so hard choosing lamps. There's so many choices, but I might do that, and I might put like a tall mirror behind it just to give it some height. And then I got to get some curtains to go right there. And then I also want to get my arch mirror. But this right here, believe it or not, this is a nursery dresser. But I just needed a small dresser. I mean, a decent sized dresser. It's not super small, but yeah. And this is my little steering wheel for when I get my car, which is coming soon. And if you guys want to order some boots, I still have these boots. I got 2 pair of a size 8 chunky heel boots left. I'll link my website below, but these are still in stock, and I would like them to go. There's only 2 left, and then it comes with a pair of shades as well. That's a free gift for you. So if you know somebody that wears size 8 and they want these shoes, the link will be in the description below. I got 2 pair left, and you can even buy them and sell them again, put the price up a little bit at your boutique, whatever. This table, I like this table. It's a nice size table, but I got this from Amazon, and you can see the name, but this is $119.99 at the moment. I think they said there's only 2 left in stock. But yeah, this I really like this table. Only thing about glass is just keeping it clean, so it's probably best to get some like table mats or something like that. I really like these chairs, and if you can see, I love pink now. All of a sudden, I just cannot get enough of pink, and it's this particular color pink. It's like a blush pink, but I got these from Wayfair as well, but they come in so many different colors. It's soft, it's durable enough to hold your weight, and it just looks really nice. But I got this centerpiece from Marshall's. And then these little coasters were just from the Dollar Tree. One says laugh often. This one says do what you love, love what you do. And that is what I am striving for with YouTube and just trying to become a better individual, a better child of the Most High God. Also, I forgot to mention this plant. This too is also from Wayfair. And I just love it. I mean, it's just, I want to actually get another one and put it on the other side of the fireplace. And then I'll move the pompous and put that somewhere else once I get a table. But I really, really like this plant. And I may even get a little stand for it as well, just so it's not so low to the ground. But I really like this. I actually prayed about which plant I should get. And I felt like Holy Spirit pointed out this plant. And it's just so pretty. It's so full. I love the base that it came with. And then I also like these plants as well. And these are from Wayfair too. But these plants, they don't come with the base. They just come with like the manufacturer base. So you would have to purchase your own. And I want to get like a gold one to go on the bottom of it. Like large gold ones. And probably maybe fill it with something. I don't know. But we'll see. But it just has the dining room feeling like an oasis. And, you know, the living room. It just gives it like a really nice feel. So these pink plush stool chairs, I got these from Amazon. But they are sold out at the moment. You cannot get them in pink unless another manufacturer has it. But I don't know who, is selling it. Who else is selling it? But from the one I got it from, they are sold out. But I really like these. And I kind of got these to match with my dining room chairs. But I just really love this pink. I still didn't do too much with the shelves. I just made these little things from Five Below because it was pink and gold, and I like, that's my color right now. But it's like a little project you can do on your own. Then I put some flowers up here. Some little fake plants. And then a basket for our Bible trivia. It's an action Bible around here somewhere too. But that's the Mr. Little section down there for his food and his treats. But yeah, thank you all for watching my new home updates. I just pray that you guys would build your own personal relationship with Jesus Christ. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will bring you more home updates. Ciao.